In today's video, we will explore the best protein powders available on the market. Whether you're looking to build muscle, enhance recovery, or support a healthy diet, choosing the right protein supplement can make a significant difference. We'll delve into various types of proteins such as whey, casein, and plant-based options, discussing their benefits, flavors, and nutritional profiles. Join us as we provide insights to help you make an informed choice for your fitness journey. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Manitoba Harvest Hemp, our pick for best budget protein powder. Hemp by Manitoba Harvest is a game changer in the world of protein powders. With 20 grams of organic plant-based protein and 4.5 grams of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, it stands out as an incredible value for your money. Only 2 ingredients make this product simple and clean. Unlike many competitors filled with additives, you get pure nutrition here. Certified USDA organic and non-GMO, this vegan option aligns perfectly with health-conscious lifestyles. B Corp certification shows a commitment to sustainability, giving you peace of mind. Plus, this product is made using renewable energy, making it eco-friendly. Mix it with bananas, peanut butter, and cacao for a delightful treat. It's versatile and fits seamlessly into any smoothie or recipe. Enjoying this protein with non-dairy beverages enhances its taste and nutrient profile. While some may find the flavor slightly earthy, that can be a refreshing change for those tired of overly sweet shakes. This product impresses with its minimal ingredients and strong nutritional values. Check out Hemp for a budget-friendly protein option that doesn't skimp on quality. Number 4. Sports Research Whey Protein. Isolate, our pick for best athletes protein powder. Whey Protein Isolate takes the crown for athletes. You won't find anything quite like Sports Research Whey Protein Isolate. Each scoop packs 25 grams of protein and 6.9 grams of BCAAs, which helps build lean muscle effectively. No artificial sweeteners or xanthan gum in sight means you get pure nutrition. This protein powder boasts non-GMO, gluten-free, and soy-free ingredients, making it a safe choice for various diets. Enhanced with vitamin D and 1,000 milligrams of L-leucine, it keeps your muscle recovery on point. With just 150 calories and less than 1 grams of sugar, it provides guilt-free indulgence. Mixing is effortless. Its clump-free formula makes blending a breeze in shakes or smoothies. You can even sneak it into baked goods or coffee for an extra protein kick. Who doesn't love a rich, creamy vanilla flavor? This delicious taste elevates any drink or dish, making your routine enjoyable. A slight downside is that it emphasizes vanilla alone, which might limit flavor options, yet its taste is so good that it hardly matters. Consistency and quality put this protein powder above the competition. Check out this fantastic option and boost your performance now. Still looking for the perfect protein powder to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Now Food Sports Nutrition, our pick for best value protein powder. Whey Protein Isolate from Now. Food Sports Nutrition stands out in the crowded protein market. If you're looking for a product that offers both quality and versatility, you've landed in the right place. First off, this unflavored protein powder mixes seamlessly into smoothies. One scoop delivers a solid 25 grams of protein, making it easy to enhance your daily nutrition without overwhelming taste. You control the flavor, which is a huge plus for those who want a clean slate for their shakes. Quality is critical in any supplement, and now sports exceeds expectations. With GMP quality assurance and rigorous testing, you can trust it's effective for athletes at any level. You know that every sip comes from a reliable source, ensuring you get every benefit possible. A family-owned brand since 1968, their commitment shines through. Packaging in the USA adds a layer of trustworthiness that many brands simply lack. While it's hard to find faults, some users might prefer flavored options. However, this product encourages creativity with recipes. Why stick to vanilla when you can whip up a unique blend? With performance, reliability, and flexible usage, now Whey Protein Isolate is the best value out there. Check it out and elevate your fitness journey today. Number 2, Jacked Factory Authentic ISO, our pick for best premium protein powder. Looking for the best premium protein powder? Jacked Factory Authentic ISO stands out in a crowded market. After extensive testing, I can confidently say it's a top choice. First, enjoy a hefty 25 grams of protein per serving. Sourced from ultra-pure grass-fed whey protein isolate, this powder fuels lean muscle growth without unwanted fillers. You'll appreciate how quickly it kicks in after workouts, helping your muscles recover faster. Many competitors fall short, leaving you bloated or gassy, but not here. Authentic ISO feels light on your stomach, ensuring a comfortable experience. With rapid absorption, this product works efficiently. It delivers essential amino acids needed for muscle repair when you need them most. You'll find that maintaining strength becomes simpler, especially during intense training sessions. Manufactured in a CGMP certified facility, Jacked Factory takes purity seriously. This formula avoids harsh chemicals and artificial dyes, giving you peace of mind about what you consume. One minor quirk is the flavor variety. While surprisingly tasty, I wish for more options to keep things fresh. However, the current flavors remain enjoyable and satisfying. Overall, Jacked Factory Authentic ISO earns top marks for quality and effectiveness. If you're serious about protein, why not explore this outstanding option further? Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Promix Whey Protein Powder, our pick for best protein powder overall. Promix Whey Protein Powder stands out in a crowded market. Why? Because it combines quality, flavor, and clean ingredients like no other. Let's dive into the benefits. Each serving packs a powerful 25 grams of protein, ensuring you build muscle and recover effectively. With 5.9 grams of branched-chain amino acids, your muscles will thank you after workouts. The cold-processed formula retains valuable nutrients, unlike many products that sacrifice quality for mass production. Using grass-fed whey, you enjoy naturally occurring antioxidants and healthy fats. Sunflower lecithin adds a smooth texture, making mixing a breeze. Madagascar vanilla flavor tantalizes your taste buds, ensuring you look forward to that post-workout shake. This powder guarantees no artificial ingredients. Say goodbye to unwanted additives and embrace pure nutrition. Ingredients like non-GMO cane sugar offer a light sweetness without refined sugars. Sure, it requires 2 scoops per serving, which might seem like a bit more effort. However, that extra scoop means more protein goodness. What truly impresses me is Promix's commitment to sustainability. They source 94% of their ingredients from North America and partner with 1% for the planet. This focus on ethics enhances your purchase. As a fitness enthusiast, you won't find better quality elsewhere. Dive into the clean nutrition of Promix Whey Protein Powder and elevate your performance today. So that wraps up our list of the best protein powders. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which protein powder you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.